I've got my package! Finally! It's been a month, I guess, since I got my 100,000 subscribers. After about 2 weeks, I got a message that I need to claim my prize, and I had to write down my address and some additional details. Then I waited for about 1 week, and then I got a message coming from customs officer telling me that I need to fill in some forms and I need to sign some papers and photograph the paper and send the photo to the customs officer. So it was a little bit confusing, but at last I got my prize, my silver button. It is here. I'm happy, and I will unpack it now. Here it is. I should say that it is quite heavy, all metal. I thought that it was going to be some piece of paper, a thank you note, or, well, I knew about the button, but I didn't know that it was all metal. Cool. So thank you, YouTube. It's great. I hope that will continue developing, and someday I will get 1 million subscribers. Do you think I could do that? Not sure, but why not? So thank you, everyone. It is part of your doing. So thank you for being with me, for subscribing, for watching my videos, for liking, sharing and commenting. It means the world. So thank you very much. I didn't think that I'm going to get this button this year. I thought that it's going to be next year or the one after that. So thank you for participating in my little success. So I love you guys. So thank you once again, and see you in my videos where I'm going to teach you English and Russian. So stay tuned.